if this text, if like engineering grade AR, because the stuff I used in the past was, it was like the tolerances was literally stated as meters, which was not particularly great. It's like, it said the building might be in the right street, I think was the what I was told, which was no use. It was all right if you look, but like engineering grade like AR, if it links into the workflow that you're using, so if it's linked to like the common data environment, the BIM process, and it's linked into that, and it's easily implementable, it's an absolute no-brainer for the majority of the right kind of construction sites. Just to, I mean, take for example, going back to when I talked about the road and the fact they didn't know what pipes were under the road. He could have stuck a headset on rather than digging the road up and checking the historical BIM data, seeing what was modelled. It might, if it was installed correctly, they could see there was some pipes down there and see which ones were down there, and they wouldn't have had to dig the road up 5 times. The opportunity for it is massive if it's implemented right. I think, like most technologies, it's an unknown for most people, and I think a lot of the historical players didn't do a very good job of it. So there's been a few kind of, was it DACRI? They were the guys that were always thrown around, and they were like, "Oh, we're going to change the game," and they didn't really do anything. So
there's a bit of a graveyard out there. Again, they underestimated, accuracy in construction is super important if you want to rely on that information.